Pakistan is actively committed to Palestine cause and is consistent in the calling of a just and lasting solution based on international law and aspirations of the Palestinian people. Our position is clear and wavering that establishment of an independent and sovereign Palestinian state with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital is essential for lasting peace in the region. Members, before I conclude, I must draw the attention of the House of a matter of concern for this Federation. The President of Pakistan has been elected by all 4 provincial assemblies and National Assembly and Senate of Pakistan. In the Constitution framework, it is my duty to represent the Federation. The most challenging and circumstances when my wife Shaheed Mohattama Benazir Bhutto was assassinated, I was the one who chanted Pakistan Khape for me. Pakistan always comes first. It is therefore my constitutional duty as your President, my personal obligation as a patriotic Pakistani to caution the House and the government that some of your unilateral policies are causing grave strain on the Federation. In particular, the government's unilateral decision to carve out some canals from the Indus River system despite strong opposition from federating units. That I, as your President, cannot support. I urge this government to abandon this correct proposal and work together with the stakeholders to come up with a viable, sustainable solution based on unanimous consensus among the federating units. In the end, I would like to again invite the attention of the House to fulfill the responsibilities entrusted to this Parliament and play its role in the nation building, strengthening institutions and improving governance. Let us put national interests supreme. Set aside personal and political differences. Let us work together to revive our economy, strengthen our democracy, and uphold the rule of law. Let us strive to build a Pakistan that is just, prosperous, and inclusive to make the best use of this parliamentary year. Thank you. Pakistan, Zindabad!
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।